What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a long time, actually a very long time, but we have some pretty cool content today. As you guys know, this channel is about tech reviews, but also with a little bit of filmmaking. So we're going to be doing like a little bit of tutorials, product reviews for camera. I mean, it's still tech, so like lenses, polarizers, cameras, all of that, including smartphones. So I just want you guys to get a feel of what this channel is going to be about. So yesterday, me and my brother, we shot some pretty cool B-roll with my dad's old F-150, which I'm really excited to show you guys. And this product that we got, which is actually like the reason why I even went out there to shoot it, from Polar Pro, which is the variable ND Peter McKinnon edition. Good. And then so pretty much I got the 2 to 5 stop, because you know, I don't really think you need a 6 to 9 stop. That's just me. So pretty much what variable NDs do is it allows you to have your aperture wide open to have the full amount of light to get that shallow depth of field, which is the reason why you get this. You know, if you're shooting outside in the sun, if you have your camera at like an f11, you know, that's okay. But if you have it at f2.8, which is what this lens, the G Master 24x70, if you have it at 2.8, so like it's gonna have a lot of light in it. And then if you don't have like a variable ND, it's gonna be really hard for you to like, how do I explain it, to like for it to get focused, and it's just gonna look really bad. Just imagine it as sunglasses for your eyes. That's pretty much what it is. So yeah, I'm really excited to show you guys the footage and let me know what you think. All right, so now I know what you guys are thinking, like, Dennis, why should I go out and spend my hard-earned money on the Peter McKinnon edition variable ND? Now, even though it'll cost you an arm and a leg, which actually, let me search up and see how much it costs, because honestly, I forgot. Closer. Okay, so for this variable ND, this is an 82mm 2 to 5 stop filter, and this was gonna run you $249.99 plus tax. So it's definitely an investment. I almost cried when I bought it, but you know, when you're in this industry, you can't really cheap out with gear. You know, you in this industry, you really get what you pay for. So yeah, like, why is this better than any other variable ND? So it has a 2 to 5 stop. It literally has, I don't know if you guys can see it, but right here it has the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 of the right amount of like exposure to your shot, pretty much. So for people that don't know, but your camera has a histogram. So on the histogram, it's going to show you if it's underexposed or overexposed. So with this, while looking at your histogram, what you want to do is check if it's right in the middle, and if depending on your ISO and how it is outside. So for example, when we shot it outside, I think I had it at like an ISO of like 100 or 200 when I was shooting the outside of the car, but when I was shooting the inside of the car, I had it at an ISO of 400 to 500 with the variable ND, moving it from, everything was between 2 to 4 stop because it was a pretty sunny day. And that's pretty much why I got this, because it allows you to get that shallow depth of field in the back without really trying to like, without making you go like f11, f12, and then your footage starts to look kind of like, you know, it looks too smooth, doesn't really look real, it's not that cinematic look that, you know, what we're trying to get at. All right, guys, so now pretty much the moment that I'm pretty sure you guys have been waiting for. We're gonna unbox this, but we're not gonna do like a traditional unboxing. I want to shoot some B-roll of it being unboxed, you know, because, you know, regular unboxing is kind of boring. Anyways, so yeah, let's unbox this, you know, see what we have, and yeah, let me know what you think.
Hey, pretty baby, pretty baby.
So yeah, pretty cool, huh? All right, so now let's move into the F-150 B-roll. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys liked what you saw. You know, like, comment, subscribe, tell us what you think, what you liked, what you disliked, what we can work on. At the end of the day, these videos are meant for you guys, to try to educate you guys in, you know, in video and tech. So yeah, let me know what you think, and stay tuned for more. Thanks.